Alright, so everybody cleans fish differently. I'm going to show you how I clean them. Y'all can figure out your own way. I got some water, electric fillet knife. That's how I do them all. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come right behind this gill. I'm going to go at an angle like this right here. I'm going to go down, hit the backbone, then I'm going to turn and ride right down the spine. Like that. That's going to leave you a slab of meat. I cut me a little slot right here to put my fingers in. You want to hold that, just hold that blade flat. That's what you end up with right there. You see you still got the rib cage here. Cut around the rib cage. It ain't got to be perfect. And then what I like to do, I like to get this little bit of red off. Just barely put some pressure on the knife. Get all the red meat you can get off of it. The more you get off, the better. You don't have to get it all off, but get the majority of it. Now, you'll see there's a red line on this side, and then there's a little wider red line. What I like to do, I'll cut like a V on this side of it, and then you'll have that little piece, and then I'll cut this way and throw that little middle red line strip away, and then that leaves you two good fillets. Alright, let's do the other side. Cutting at an angle, we're going to cut down all the way to the backbone. Get your fillet off of there. Okay, and then we're going to cut us a little slot to hold our fingers. Keep your blade turned down toward the table, just like that. Now once again, I'm going to cut this rib cage out. We're going to flip it, cut the red meat out. Cut the red meat out. Then we're going to cut a V. Like that. Alright, there's our two pieces. Got the other side. Rib cage. Now if you do it this way, there shouldn't be no bones in it whatsoever. Just like that. Another thing, you'll see this is fatty tissue build up on the fish. You can take your fingers, it'll pull right off. Look, they say all the bad stuff is in that, so when you wash them off, just pull all that off. You have a clean fillet.